Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button. This video is just straight and to the point. Best way to enhance your Ducati with a dry clutch is to put a vented dry clutch cover on it. This particular bike is a Monster 1100, and you will see that I'm going to put a red clutch cover, which a friend of ours was going to put on his 1198, and when we put it on the 1198 it looked like a pink clutch cover. So we took it off the shelf and we put it on this black bike, and it looks pretty good on the black bike, and I believe you will agree. And it's very easy to install a clutch cover onto a Ducati with a dry clutch. Please do not attempt to do this on a Ducati with a wet clutch. You will have a floor full of disappointment when you replace the clutch cover, when you remove the clutch cover on your Ducati with the wet clutch. So there's only 4 bolts that hold this clutch cover on, 2 long ones, 2 short ones. Take out the ones that you see me removing. It'll be the ones that are holding the clutch cover on, not the ones that go through the clutch cover. And while you're at this stage here, go ahead and pull that rubber gasket off of your engine. Your life will be easier if you just go ahead and pull that rubber gasket off the engine now. With the brass spacers which are in that rubber gasket, it will not allow the new clutch cover to fit on. So the bolts are too short. So now you see me removing the rubber gasket. There's really no need for it anyway. And you'll see when you put your dry clutch cover on, the screws which are still in the motor, the dry clutch cover just fits right over. So you already see that the dry clutch cover makes the bike look a lot better. With the red on the black, it does stand out, so when people walk up to your bike, they'll see your clutch sitting there. Now these need to be torqued down, but it doesn't take a lot of force to get these screws tight. You saw it didn't take much for me to break these screws loose, and I'm not putting a lot of force onto these screws to tighten them down. Neither should you. So be gentle. You just want them snug. Don't go breaking off a bolt in your motorcycle. So it looks pretty good with the dry clutch cover on. I like it. I'm hoping the owner likes it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you.